scaring him too. Keep in the net, buddy.
So we're trying to save a baby bird.
It's not going as planned. Get on. He's going farther out. Dude, look at these things. Get away.
And there's birds everywhere trying to kill us.
Because we're trying to help a bird.
I'm gonna catch you with this fishing pole and you're not gonna like it.
I think you got him.
Yeah.
You can get him.
Get away.
It's too far now.
Get away right
I'm gonna
now.
hit these over.
Get away.
Go overhand.
I'll knock your head off. Holy crap, I cannot see.
Fly in, buddy.
You have to pull him up.
I can't because he'll go the other way. Oh, yeah.
Hey, get away.
I feel like he got out of the nest on accident.
Probably not the greatest quality.
Come on.
He's trying to get up.
Oh no. I swear that we're just like making it worse, but at the same time, otherwise he would sit here all day. I mean, you were gone for what? 7 minutes, 8 minutes, and he just stood there.
You can get him closer.
Bro, look at these birds though.
Oh, they're everywhere.
There's like 4 of them.
There's 5 of them.
5 of them. Oh my gosh.
Holy cow.
Just because we're trying to help him doesn't mean
Like
they
there's birds literally everywhere. Pull up, pull up. No.
I don't want it to like drown.
Yeah, neither do I.
It's not gonna drown.
Should I pull the weed out?
That's smart, yeah.
No, it's gonna move though.
No, it won't.
Oh, that was the wrong weed. I don't think this weed is strong enough to support him all the way.
We should get him closer.
Now I can probably scoop him up though.
God.
He's in the water.
He's going closer. Perfect.
Get in the net, buddy. Oh, he's getting in land. That's what we want. Just keep going.
Where can we put him?
I don't know. We need to make an opening for him so that he doesn't just keep going in the water.
Where is he?
He's right here.
I don't want to step on him.
Ben, how do you catch him?
Oh, there he is.
There he is, buddy.
Hello, buddy.
Hi, dude. You gotta come out. Gotta come out, buddy. Let's try and move him out. Should I hit him in the back so he can be able to move?
That is a little baby bird.
We have to give him a name. Jerry.
Jerry?
It's okay, buddy.
Jerry.
It's okay, dude. Hi, Jerry. Come on, Jerry.
God, these birds are so
grab him.
annoying.
Grab him. Yeah. Got you, Jerry.
So we successfully saved the bird.
So a little bit of time has passed since we've caught, or not really caught, but saved Jerry. And so now I just came back down here just to see if he was down here. He's not down here anymore, but, sorry. He is down here, and he's flying. I just saw him fly. He was over here, and he was holding onto one of the branches that he was actually holding onto before, like this stuff. And I'm just shocked that he started flying, because a little bit ago he was just like over here on this brush, just like stuck. But I could definitely tell it was the same exact bird, so it's awesome. And hope you guys enjoyed, and leave a like if you did enjoy, and subscribe if you're new, and see you in the next one.